Hello world, this is Bitty the Robot, and today we will discuss this. Pointers are a scary concept required in languages such as C and C++. Even my friend was scared of pointers yesterday when we were calling. Hey, can you proofread my pointer script for errors? Oh, no. Okay then, it seems like you despise pointers then. This dude right there is too scared to explain pointers in a friendly way, but anyways. By now, you humans, and probably even robots, are confused to the point that you'll come to the conclusion that C and C++ are absolute garbage and inferior to Python and Java. Well, here's an upper side to this. C and C++ allows you to access every component of your computer, from the hard drive to the memory. Keep learning to get this kind of power. But we aren't even done yet. There are 3 parts to this complex topic. the second part will cover memory allocation, and the third part will cover linked lists. With that said, my battery is running pretty low. I'm going to shut off.